Heads up, sneaker fam. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reshine patent leather by using some patent leather wipe-on sealer. This sealer is like a lighter version of the airbrush spray-on sealer that you saw me using in my other videos if you're following along. This sealer is good for like covering up minor scuffs and scratches or like hazy and foggy patent leather. My name is Footprinse and I'd like to thank you for watching. Now let me show you how to apply your sealer. Links to more videos and products will be in the description. Thank you for watching.
So if you got dry or hazy patent leather, you could just use the wipe-on sealer just for like small imperfections and whatnot. You just get your sponge here. Make sure it's saturated. If you want it to be like completely saturated, because you want it to go on smooth. That's the trick here. Okay. That's it, nice and smooth. Only downside is the sealer can create leaks that you'll have to clean up. But other than that, it's beautiful. Just lightly sand or sand with your blocks here. Okay. And you'll get a nice smooth finish. Sanding is way better because it's gonna allow you to it's going to allow the sealer to adhere to the surface a lot better.
Okay, we're going to speed things up here, but just make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can see some cleanup tips.
And we're gonna let that dry as usual.
Okay, you can use a hair blow dryer, but just use medium heat and medium air settings. These are the finished results after the wipe-on sealer. This is after one coat. The wipe-on sealer is used for like minor scratches, scuffs, and haziness. I'm gonna talk a little bit about it and tell you some setbacks that you could have and how to possibly fix them as well. But we applied our sealer with our cutout sponge here. You just apply it and make sure you saturate the edge. Okay, you got a sharp edge up here, and you can get really, really close to the edges. My tips and advice, I would say hold the shoe like upside down when you're applying your sealer. Like hold your shoe upside down so that the sealer doesn't leak onto the midsole. You can remove it just by getting a little bit of WD-40 and then scrubbing off your edges, and you'll be just fine. So to clean up the edges up here and clean off like patent leather gloss or whatnot, use some WD-40 and saturate the area that I'm trying to clean, or just on the edges, like so. Just use my WD-40 I'm trying to get the area smooth. I can say I'm using a WD-40 as like oil, I would say. So when I'm scrubbing with the Brillo pad, or I got a piece of sandpaper here, to really get into the edge right here, like so. Like so. I don't damage the material. That's why I'm putting the WD-40 up there. Okay. So I would use the sandpaper or the Brillo pad. Then I would get my microfiber cloth and I put like a little something hard in there. So when I go to scrub, it acts as like a squeegee somewhat. I can really press into the midsole to get the stain out. Or I can scoop with the interior, you know what I'm saying? With the, obviously with the microfiber cloth on there so I don't damage it, but I can scoop things out or I can press, however it goes. Okay, so that's how I would get that off. WD-40, scratch resistant Brillo, and some sandpaper. This is, I believe it's 80 grit and I have 150 grit. And a microfiber cloth. And some sort of like cap or something hard, okay? Just a small tip here, make sure you use the blue scratch resistant Brillo pad and not the green, because if you put solvent or WD-40 on the green Brillo, it's gonna spread the green everywhere on the midsole. Okay. Now for power tool version, just spray on my WD-40. Thank you for watching, and please follow me for more patent leather repair tips, tricks, and tutorials. And take advantage of these special offers. Thank you for watching.
Hey, check this out. You can get this stuff for free because you can get paid whenever you share. If you want to learn how, just go check out the links in the description and see how you can become an affiliate and start sharing DIY sneaker repair products and get paid for doing it today. You can also earn credits for referring friends. You'll get 15% off and they'll get 15% off too for sharing sneaker repair products, books, and PDFs. Shoot me a comment and ask how, and I'll include my book, How I Made $1,125 in a month online selling old shoes today for free. So don't miss out on this offer. The number of free ebooks will be limited. Thank you for watching. Hey, my name is Footprinse, and again, I'd like to thank you for watching. So here's a little bit about me. I specialize in reglues and patent leather repairs, and I also can fix the hole in the front of a toe box for like Yeezy 350s or on the side as well. I have a special suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer that's available, and I also do online live classes. I have ebooks available, PDFs, and a whole lot more. So stay tuned, and thank you again.